Hello everyone, welcome back. Assignments are one of the worst things about school, but you might have a different opinion about it if you knew you could get paid for doing them. Thanks to the internet, it's now as easy as ABC to do homework for money. This could be a side hustle for you. I know you must have a passion in a certain subject or strong in it, and this will be a good chance to monetize it. The best part about this is you're your own boss. You get a chance to choose when you want to do assignments, for a pay, and also how many you want to do. Being wise here will also help you maximize your profits. Instead of just doing assignments for students at one site, do it in several sites. You won't struggle getting started because these two platforms have already found students who want their assignments done at a fee. The first site is SchoolSolver. This platform lets you answer homework questions for cash, but you have to show you are working so students can actually learn in the process. Register as a tutor and complete your profile, then complete a quiz on the subject you want to help out with. If you get at least 90% on the quiz, you qualify for that subject. This is a good platform since you can get paid in dollars, and if you're in countries such as Kenya, the conversion to Kenyan shilling will also be a money-making process. The second site is StudyPool. If you are a college student or an adult good in a certain subject, then StudyPool is a great place for you to get paid doing homework. You have to write a 200-word essay and go through an interview process looking to make sure you are proficient in English, which I know you are since you can understand what I'm saying. Apart from answering homework questions, you can also sell notes for cash with StudyPool. The payment rate is $5 to $20 per question, and you get paid through PayPal. Imagine if you were to solve just 50 assignment questions per day after you've already come out from your 9 to 5 job. Then that will be about $500 a day, which is good cash. So don't fall behind on this. Get started and you won't regret this. This is it for this fantastic video. Leave a comment, share and subscribe. Let's meet again next time.